Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today we'll show you how to test emails in C#. You probably already have a C# project with email sending enabled in it. If not, go ahead and watch our video where we explain how to send emails in C#. But before you start blasting those emails to your users, you have to take an additional step. You should test the email sending functionality and the emails themselves with a dedicated tool. We'll be using Mailtrap email testing, which provides a safe environment for inspecting and debugging emails in staging. To get started, create an email testing account. Navigate to email testing and click on My Inbox. There, choose C# from the drop-down menu to find a sample code and your credentials. Alternatively, click Show Credentials to reveal SMTP and POP3 credentials for the virtual inbox. Now we need to enable your C# project to send emails. From that, we've already installed the MailKit library via NuGet and configured the using namespaces. Then it's necessary to prepare the SMTP client. To connect to it, copy the SMTP settings such as host, port, and encryption from Mailtrap email testing. Authenticate the server with the username and password of your virtual inbox. And use the MailKit's bodybuilder class to build the message. We'll go with the plain text message. Create a new instance of the MyMessage class and indicate the sender's and recipient's email addresses. Since we'll trap everything in email testing's virtual inbox, these addresses don't have to be real. Assign the body builder to the body property of the MyMessage to set the body. Send the email using the client and define the disconnect method. Let's build the application and run the code. Check your email testing inbox. Voila! Our first test email is right there. From there, explore HTML source, spam analysis, and HTML check tabs in email testing inbox to debug various portions of your emails. Feel free to check out our article to learn more about sending, receiving, and testing emails in C#. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.